How do you calculate the blue area using triangle congruence? The figure shows a square with 2 cm sides and a circle centered at this vertex. A square with a radius equal to its side, and another square inscribed in the circumference. The blue area is the intersection of the two squares. To calculate it, first consider the medians. In this larger square, segments connect the medians, which create 90-degree angles here and here. Let's analyze the three angles, labeled A, B, and C. Note that this angle measures 90 degrees since it's a corner of the square. This indicates that A plus B equals 90. Therefore, note that we have a square here and this angle here is one of the angles of this square. So, this means that C plus B. A plus B equals 90 degrees, and C plus B also equals 90 degrees. Therefore, adding either A or C to B results in 90 degrees. A must be equal to C, so this angle here. Now observe that here and here we have right triangles, where the leg of this particular triangle here has exactly the same measure as the leg of this other separate triangle. Since these legs are sides of the same square. And moreover, the angle that is adjacent to this leg. Since both triangles share angle-side-angle congruence, they are congruent. This allows us to rotate one forward. To fit here and with that we realize that our blue area that we want to calculate is exactly the area of this square here. Notice that the diagonal of this square is exactly the radius. We know the radius from the circumference. The side of the square measures 2 centimeters, making the diagonal of the square equal to 2 centimeters. Because the square's diagonal equals the side length L multiplied by the square root of 2, we divide both sides by the square root of 2. We determine L is square root 2, showing the blue square has sides of square root 2. As a square's area equals its sides squared. Therefore, the desired area equals 2 square centimeters. Thank you.